What is going on, guys? Thanks for stopping back here into the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and get down there and smash that subscribe button. But today I'm going to be redoing one of my original videos, and I'm going to be cleaning up my tires some on the truck. As you can see, they have a little bit of a shine to them, but I normally use JaxWax for all of my cleaning products. But the one product that I use is Toroe dressing. It is a tire dressing, and I already made a video on this once, and it was like the fourth video on this channel, which was over like a year and a half ago. And as you guys can see, there's still a little bit on it, so you can see how well this stuff lasts a year and a half later. But I want to go ahead and get her shined up, because then she'll last all summer long. So I want to go and redo this today. I will show you guys how to install this. So to install this, guys, I'm going to use the cleaner they sent. I could use the JaxWax, but they sent me 2 bottles of this with this, and I've already done my whole truck and I still got half a bottle. So I'm going to use this. That is their cleaner. Spray your wheels. I'm going to go through the whole process, time lapse it, show it all to you guys. Spray your wheels, rinse your wheels or tires, spray them with that. Scrub them with this, rinse them off, and repeat until when you scrub it, it's not brown no more. Repeat it, and then once you do that, let it dry. Then you go and spray your tire dressing on there. Use your applicator block, and then for mud tires to go and get in all the nooks and crannies, I use a paintbrush to apply it. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I just told you guys that. I'll show you guys the time lapse of doing it all, and then I will show you guys the finished product when she is all done. Hey guys, I went ahead and decided to go ahead and just clean the truck while I was at it. I went ahead and washed it, and then I put some ceramic detailer on it to get her all detailed up, looking good for the weekend, because it's like 40 degrees, but it is a beautiful weekend. It's supposed to be like this all weekend. So I'm gonna drive the truck all weekend. Wanted to get her all good and shined up, but we'll go ahead and get to installing these. I put 3 coats. I did 3 passes on the back tires and 2 on the front, because I just rotated them, and the rear ones were on the front when I had all the brake dust issues. If you guys haven't seen that video where I resolved the brake dust issue and don't have to worry about brake dust anymore on my wheels, I will put a link to it up here. And yeah, but I will go ahead and you guys will see me. It says spray on the block. I'm probably gonna spray it on the tire. I got me a rag to wipe off if I get any of it on the wheels. And then it says to let it dry. I'm probably gonna go ahead and blow with an air nozzle to let it dry afterwards, to make it speed up the process. So let's jump into getting her installed, and then you guys will be seeing a clean truck when we are done. Guys, she is just a shine now. Got all my good products that I use up there. Yeah, Toroe dressing, guys, that stuff, and it will stay like that for probably a couple months and then it will get a little duller over time, up to a year and a half, which is what you see at the beginning of this video. You guys seen what it looked like, and now you guys can see what it looks like now. And of course it is still drying a little, but it will stay like this for months, guys. So if you guys would like some Dura dressing, I'll put in the link in the description below. Along with any other products I used, I did ceramic detail in this thing, and then I used the new products from JaxWax that I got, which is the streak-free glass cleaner, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, getting the truck all shined up and the tires all perfectly clean and shined up, and she'll be good to go for the summer now because those wheels are just shining, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and get down there and smash that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day, everyone.